Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with OMG Queen Hair, and this is the box. It's very simple. Just says chic, natural, confident. Open the box and I say love delivered, and I'm seeing the wig. What else I got in the box? I got a wig cap, and I also got this like pamphlet, this booklet, and I guess this has like, you know, hair care, all those stuff, you know, their policies, and that's everything that came in the box, guys. So oh, this wig is so nice. The color, I love the streak in the front. This is gorgeous, guys. This is absolutely stunning. So this is a bob. As you can see, this is gorgeous. Yes, I love this. This is a highlighted bob, and you guys know that I've worked with a lot of highlighted wigs, okay, especially since this year has started. But I must say there is something about this one that has this ash brown. It's not blonde, but it's like this ash brown feel, you know, and I love it. I love the two streaks in the front here. Absolutely beautiful. It comes as a center part, and the lace looks so good already. It's bleached. I can see that it's definitely bleached, and I love that it's a blunt cut. They call this one the Alexis blunt cut lace front wig, and it's 180% in density. It's 10 inches long. It's a medium cap size. It has extra lace. As you can see, it has an extra lace on the inside here for more security if you need it. I adjusted the straps in the back. 4 combs in total. It's a virgin Brazilian hair texture, and it's straight. I feel like it's a plus with the bleached knots for sure. Makes life way easier for you. And yeah, so for today's video, guys, I'm going to be applying this wig to a beauty. I've collaborated with her before. You know, she's a friend of mine, and she also has a YouTube channel. So yeah, so excited. So let's go ahead and get on into the transformation. This is today's beauty. You guys have seen her already in my vlogs. Her name is
Cans.
Yes, and
Queen
what else?
Cans.
Where can they find you? What's your YouTube? Just so that tell them everything.
Queen Cans on YouTube and Cans Makeup on Instagram. I do sometimes makeup, hair videos. Sometimes I vlog 50% of the time, and I do perfume videos
50% of the time, guys. That's the main content over there. So if you don't want bomb scents,
I do perfumes 100% of the time. And vlogging
exactly.
50%.
Tell the truth. Now tell people the truth what they love.
Yes, I am a perfume junkie, so yeah, I have a lot of perfumes.
So if you need help with, you know, making selections, you know, she's the person to go to. Like, just go to her channel.
Yes.
I'm gonna go ahead and get started with application of this wig, and then I don't even know what the glam is going to be for today as yet, but we're gonna see. Wherever my heart leads me, that's where I'll end up. So let's get started.
Never felt so alive in my life, 'cause you make me come to life every time I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? Crashing right into you. I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? Yeah, I'm free falling. Can you hear me calling for you? Yeah, I'm free falling. All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what am I fighting for? What all those rumors true? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Oh, I don't wanna make it all about me again. But I don't even know half the things you said. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. 10 more minutes, or 10 more minutes with you. All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you.
at me yet. You guys know the vibes. Give her a nice little cut crease. You know, neutral vibes and a pop of color. You know, yeah. I love the way this wig is looking. Of course, I'm gonna make this sleek and straight texture. I just don't have any other. You know, I'm not at a vibe speed right now, so I'm just gonna get my flat iron and go through it and get it butter straight.
Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what am I fighting for? What all those rumors true? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again. But I don't even know half the things you said. If you gave up hope, do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. 10 more minutes, or 10 more minutes with you.
So I'm all done. You saw I did minimal baby hairs and everything. Yes, give them a turn. Yes. It's looking lovely. I love the meltdown of the lace, and it just looks really nice and sleek. We're gonna give her the mirror so she can let us know how she feels about it. Let's go.
By the way, this is my first time. First time having a makeup artist doing my face.
Cause she's a makeup, yeah. She's a makeup artist, yeah.
Okay, let's see. Wow, I look different. It's the hair.
Yeah, she never do not hair color like this before.
Wow.
It's dark brown actually. Just look very much like
I love the eye makeup. Looks so good. Yeah, it looks so different.
Yeah. It's nice to look, switch up the look sometimes.
Yes, this is definitely a switch for me. But OMG queen.
Yes.
I like it.
Guys, this was a very easy way to work with. I did go in and pluck some more, but I didn't like over pluck it. I really love the streaks in the front here, and I feel like, it's not for the very simple girl. If you're used to the colors.
Yeah, even the used to.
And she really not used to the colors, so I really wanted to take her outside of the comfort zone a little bit. And so I feel like this wig is a vibe. It's definitely somewhere appropriate.
It is.
And around here, give me that like ash brown. If you're looking for a trendy bob, this is it. I'm going to put the direct link to it in my description box. OMG Queen hair. Shout out again for this bomb wig. Thank you guys so much for watching another makeover. Yeah, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to
Queen Canton at YouTube.
And follow her on Instagram as well.
Can's Makeup.
Yes. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and go ahead and check out PETITE-SUE TV for all my vlogs. So just go and big up on yourself.
Yes.
Bye.